And we're live. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. Digital Sarah has put out a product really called Mastering Google Gemini, and it's a PLR guide. So I'll start at the finish, which is $9.95. So you will be able to yourself learn about Google Gemini and then be able to resell the guide to Google Gemini, which is one of the things people are really searching for. How do I use this form of AI? And so that's what this guide is all about. You're going to be able to resell it under your name, and it's going to cost you $10. And you're going to learn all the information and then be able to resell it. And basically, after one sale, you're in 100% profit from there on in. So it's a pretty amazing setup. Let's go inside. I'll mention you quickly. Click the link in the video description. The sirens mean that the computer's going to blow up, or you'll just click the link and come to my site, marketingsharks.com. It's got a lovely graphic. You click that graphic, and you're at the page we're at now. You can scroll down a bit of information about it, and then there's a link, and you click that, and you're on this site, which really gives you a good look at it. Okay, so Gemini's everywhere your audience looks. They've heard of Gemini, but they've no idea how to use it. And someone here talks about how Gemini doesn't really come with a guide. And so people are looking for a guide for Google Gemini. And look at this, you for $10 can be that guy. So let's start up here. Done for your Gemini course. You can sell it as your own 10 video course. You'll be able to click this and watch a couple minutes of one of the videos, get a good idea what it's all about. There you go. They keep hearing about it. None of them know how to actually use it. And there's no manual. There's no friendly description. It just needs a course. And so that's exactly what this is here, is the beginner course. Offer something your list wants. The whole thing's put together. That's amazing right there. 10 lessons all about using Gemini. And then you can use it, sell it, give it I think you really want to sell it. It's in big demand. Somewhere down here, they have a thing about the actual, I don't know what that is. That's other things. So that's got nothing to do with that. Other courses that she's selling. Sarah Dembo, that's Digital Sarah. And really, you can resell. The videos have a higher value than PDFs and ebooks. So you'll be able to have this white label Gemini course, which means you can put your name on it and it's yours. You do with it what you wish. Everything's included. The resale rights, graphics, email coaching, how to turn those videos, and the guide itself, obviously. And the whole 9 yards. It doesn't show you here. I will screen back up to the graphic, $9.95. So click the link in the video description. It'll take you to my site at marketingsharks.com. Click the product box like that. Boom, you're here. You can grab it for $9.95. Fresh out today, Mastering Google Gemini, the complete guide. It's $9.95 PLR offering, white label rights, training volume 65 from Digital Sarah. Click the link, check it out. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. Enjoy.